Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, yo, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Y's, right back at it, bro. Oh my God, I told y'all, if anything else come up worth talking about, bro, I'm right back at it. And yo, I don't know if this a tweet and delete or a Photoshop tweet, or I mean, not a tweet, or you know what I'm saying, post and delete, or type deal Photoshop. But bro, this picture just came up, and this a leak of the Kyrie 8, and it's a screenshot of an Instagram post from Kyrie saying that these joints are trash, bruh. Like, and he's saying he ain't got nothing with the shoe, he ain't got nothing to do with the shoe, he don't like them. Like, oh, bruh, this crazy, fool. And if that's the case, I'm probably gonna love Kyrie forever for being, you know what I'm saying, a stand-up guy. Cause bro, a lot of these Nike basketball shoes that come out, I'm like, man, bro, you really co-signed off this? Like, these joints ugly. Who co-signed? You designed these? Like, you know what I'm saying? In the back of my mind, I'm thinking somebody else designed them, then they present it to the player like, oh, you like these? Then the player's so overwhelmed, like, oh, I got my own shoe. They just gonna say, yeah, because it got their name on it. But you know what I mean? If Kyrie really like, nah, bro, these ain't it. Scrap these, back to the drawing board. I'm not rocking these. I'm not signing off on these. Nothing but respect to my dog Kyrie, for real, bro. But I gotta show y'all the footage. Salute my brother Kilo Kicks, bro. Salute my brother Kilo, keeping me in the loop with all this hot news, man. Thanks, Jake. You know what I'm saying? Definitely hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and notify, bro, because I'm gonna be coming with all the dopest sneaker news as soon as I can get around to it. But look, though, rapandcapkicks.com posted Kyrie Irving just took the Instagram to call the upcoming Nike Kyrie 8 trash, hot garbage, super poop scoops. Looking at the outsole, it definitely looked like a Kyrie outsole too. Yeah, it definitely looked like a Kyrie outsole. But yeah, look, I don't know if, bruh, see, that's the thing, man. I looked on Kyrie's Instagram account, don't see anything. I don't know if somebody else posted this and Kyrie commented up under the post. You see what I'm saying? I don't know if Kyrie commented up under somebody else's posts, and then Rapper Cat Kicks got the screenshot, or this could be completely Photoshop. You know what I'm saying? Somebody typed this up and put Kyrie's name on top of it, but it says, I have nothing to do with the design or marketing of the upcoming Kyrie 8. In my opinion, these are trash. I absolutely have nothing to do with them. Nike plans to release it without my okay regards to what I say, so I apologize in advance. No, I apologize in advance to all my sneakerheads and true supporters of the Kai 11 brand. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Hey, at least, if this for real, bro, at least he warned us. At least he warned us that they was gonna be trash, and he gave us what I would say is a sincere apology, bro. He said, look, in advance to all my sneakerheads first and true supporters, bro. Sneakerheads over the true supporters. I feel like that's a definitely sincere apology, bro, to the culture, to the sneaker collecting culture, and you know what I'm saying, all of that. Like, y'all know I love my Kyries, dog. Do we gotta do this? Like, you know what I'm saying? I really rock with my Kyries. And the dopest part about my Kyries, they're actually like my Kyries. I designed these joints. You know what I'm saying? Bruh. Yeah, I'm at the wrong camera. Tripping.
That's my dog.
My Kyrie, like I was saying, bro, I love my Kyries. I love the Kyrie 1 silhouette. This is a classic, bro. Came out the hole strong, really dope shoe on foot. When you break it in, dunk comfortable. Kyrie 2 is super duper snug. I went a half size up, it was still pretty snug. Not as comfortable for casual wear, but it was definitely and still is a dope looking shoe casually. You know what I'm saying? I can get it off with outfits I want to. It's just uncomfortable. It's definitely made to be hooping in catching ankles and all that. You can see the outsole traction comes all the way up to the midsole. Like, you definitely made to be catching ankles with the Kyrie 1s and the 2s. The Kyrie 3s was a little blur. I wasn't the biggest fan of the Kyrie 3s. Kyrie 6s are dope to me. I did like the Kyrie 6s a lot. And yeah, Kyrie 7's okay. They're not as bad. Like, the Kyrie 7 remind me of a super hybrid model of the Kyrie 1. Anytime they show respect to the Kyrie 1, them the ones I like. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that Kyrie 6 was like the Kyrie 1, and this one had a baby. So I was in love with the Kyrie 6. And it kind of gave me like Nike Yeezy 2 vibes. So I'm a Kyrie fan myself. Kyrie, dog, you come across this video, I accept your apology as a supporter and a fan of your sneakers, and what some would call a sneakerhead. I just like shoes, bro. I don't know what to call it at this point, yeah. But yeah, man, what do y'all think, bro? What do y'all think? This is not a good shot or a good look at this sneaker. But I can't believe this is what it's gonna look like. I could just about believe this is what the joint gonna look like, bro. Man, leave y'all thoughts and opinions in the comment box below. Bro, I want me a YouTube play button so bad in my office over there, bro. So if you would subscribe, turn the notification bell on. That'll help a lot, bro. I appreciate it, man. And it's free. It's free to you. Bro, it don't cost you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Drop a like off on the video if you like the video. And yeah, man. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. You already know, bro. If some more news come up, I'm on it, man. If something else come up that I feel like it's worth talking about, I'm on it. And yeah, we might hop on live in a little bit. I might be live on Twitch. I'm gonna be live tonight, either on this channel or Twitch. So, you know what I'm saying? DaveyMcFlyy on Twitch. Follow your boy. Turn the notification bells on that way too if you want to stay all the way in the loop. Rock out with your boy, man. Yeah. Ooh, matter of fact, I got some beats to work on. Might drop another beat tonight. Gotta start working on beats, bro. So, peace out, man. Catch y'all on the next one.